Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, we are going to learn how to run a test case multiple times using Selenium, Java and TestNG. This is very helpful when we want to test for reliability, load or flaky behavior of the software. So what is the flaky behavior? A test case that sometimes passes and sometimes fails without any changes to the code, environment, or data. So, for today's tutorial, I am going to use these two TestNG parameters and thread pool size. If we want to speed it up, we can run tests in parallel by adding thread pool size. So, how we will be using these parameters? Let's dive into the code. So first of all, I am going to create one class here. Invocation count demo. Okay, I am not selecting public static void main because we are going to use TestNG for this tutorial. So I'm clicking on finish. So here I'm going to create one method invocation count test. And here I'm going to write annotation as test. So let's import test from TestNG. Now I'm going to create WebDriver instance. Okay. And I have imported all the required things. Okay. So now driver dot manage dot timeout dot implicit of second. I'm giving this 5 seconds. Okay. And I'm maximizing it. Manage window. Maximize it. And I'm going to open, let's say Google. I'm just opening here Google. I'm taking this URL. So I'm just creating a script for one test case. We are going to launching the browser and opening the Google page and taking the title of the page. So this will return string, title of page. Okay. And we can print here. Okay. Page title. This title I'm going to print here. Okay. So So how we can use first this invocation count? So I want to, there is requirement that I need to run this test case for 5 times. So how we can use this parameter? So invocation count is equal to 5. Okay. And I'm going to save it. So let's run and see this is running 5 times or more. And you can also quit, java dot quit. Okay. I'm saving it, right click, run as TestNG suite. So just observe it, should run for 5 times. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, and fifth time. Okay. We can also check in console. So it ran for the 5 times. The same test ran for the 5 times. Okay. And tests run 5 and all 5 are passes. So, but in addition, if we want to speed it up, means it will sequentially, it will run 1 to 5. So it will take lots of time. In real time, if we would like to run some tests for more than 5 and more high number is there to rerun the test. So in that case, if we would like to speed up, so in that case, we can use thread pool size parameter. Okay. So we can run tests in parallel by adding thread pool size. So how we can implement in our code? See. So here we can thread pool size. That's we are giving 3. So what will happen? So 3 tests will run at the same time. Okay. And I have saved it. And so 3 tests will run in parallel by adding this parameter. So out of 5 tests, initial three tests will run parallelly at the same time. So let's rerun it and we can observe here. So you can observe there will be launch of 3 at the same time. So in our case, we we needed to run this test case for 5 times. So and we have provided thread pool size 3. So in first run, what happened? 3 instances of browser launched altogether. Okay. Then in the second case, in the second time, what happened? Only 2 runs left, right? So only 2 browser launched simultaneously. So in this way, we can implement invocation count, and with invocation count, we can implement thread pool size as well as per our requirement. Okay. So that's it. So this is a very simple way to repeat test cases using TestNG. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automation tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video.